Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to design your own images or graphics, especially custom numbers with a small th for things like 5th, 10th, or 25th, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a small th next to a number using Canva. You'll walk away knowing how to create this from scratch, perfect for everything from social media graphics to invitations. Let's jump right in. First, open up Canva. Just head to Canva.com in your browser. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can sign up for free in less than a minute. Once you're in, look towards the top right for a big all button that says Create a Design. Give that a click. This is where Canva lets you choose the exact size for your new graphic. For this demo, we want a really nice, compact image. So click on Custom, see two boxes where you can type in the width and the height. Type in 100 for the width and 100 for the height, both in pixels. This creates a perfect square canvas, which is great for adding elements without things getting stretched out. It'll also fit nicely into profile pictures or tiny icons if that's what you need. After you set your size, click Create New Design. Canva will open up your blank canvas and you should see a nice, clean white square. This is where the magic happens. Now let's add the main number. On the left menu, look for the text button. It usually has an icon of a T. Click that, then select Add a Heading. Don't worry if it looks big right now. Type in the number you want, for example, let's say 10. You'll see your number pop up on the canvas, nice and bold. Next up, we need to add the th part. Go back to the text menu and this time select Add a Subheading or even add a little bit of body text. Either works as long as it gives you new text you can edit. Type in th, just those two letters. It will probably look too big at first, but that's exactly what we want to fix. Here's the trick. Click on the th text and you'll see little handles on the corners of the text box. Gently click and drag one of the corners inward. This makes the font smaller and you'll instantly see it shrink on your canvas. If you're picturing that classic ordinal look like when the th is kind of tucked up beside the number, you're on the right track. Take a few moments here and use your mouse to position the th exactly where you want it, usually at the top right of the main number. Now let's organize these two text elements together so they stay put if you move them later. Click on the number, then hold down Shift and click on the th so both are selected at the same time. You should see a little menu at the top. Look for the group button and give it a click. Now both pieces move as one unit, making it super easy to resize or reposition your new number with a small th. And that's it, you've just made your own custom small th number in Canva. Remember, don't stress if the aligning takes a few tries. Sometimes those tiny adjustments make all the difference. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share what you created. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and creative tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.